here at PQ Auto Body Department. As you guys can see right behind us, we have the red GT63. Some of you guys have seen this car in the previous videos, and as you guys saw on previous videos, the whole quarter panel was completely ruined. It was ruined to the point where we could not fix it, therefore had to replace it. This is another quarter panel. This was a GT63, I believe. As you guys can see, the reinforcement bar on the rocker actually got impacted as well, so that has to come off.
You guys gotta slice the car?
So this is the outer skin. So you see the inner skin, the reinforcement is damaged. So you can't replace this without replacing this part because it's under it. See, we did put new bumper, new tail light, new quarter panel, new doors. Both rear door and front door got replaced. Not only that, but the whole aperture panel as well. For those of you guys that don't know what the aperture panels, you're pretty much looking at it right here. There's this whole section right here. All that got replaced. All this is brand new. So all this had to be off. Replaced all this, painted all this. If you guys take a look at the interior, this is what you get once you pick up your vehicle after a collision here at PQ Performance. We pull pretty much a 4-point inspection on the vehicle, make sure that all the gaps match, the paint matches, and that there's nothing loose. We do test drive every single vehicle just to make sure that the drivability is there and there's no hiccups, there's no bump, there's nothing on the car. For those of you guys that are out there and unfortunately get in a car accident or know somebody that's been involved in a car accident, please do not hesitate to reach out to PQ Performance, and we're here to help you with assistance on the insurance side, the rental side, and the repair side. We have Mr. Riko's car. He actually just got here. We have his 240, you know, stock motor king. We're gonna give Ray a ride in it. See if he likes how it feels. You gonna come, Riko, or not? No. Huh? Well, good luck.
Is this one's faster than Ray?
Hell yeah, what the fuck?
Is it?
This one faster than mine?
Then which one, the Supra or the G82?
Well, any of his cars.
It's up there. And Ray got some fast cars too.
How much is this making?
It's probably making right now probably like 1100, but we should easily make 12, 13. He just has to buy a few more shit.
Still though, 1100? God damn.
We gonna fill it right now.
We think the G80 is gonna feel like this?
It's the same exact turbo size, so it actually should feel maybe more aggressive than this.
Ooh, man, it sounds good as fuck.
It sounds nice and healthy. It sounds good.
Bro, that shit is, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that shit is good.
That shit feels good, bro.
Hell yeah, that shit is that shit is lit. That shit, yeah, I felt it.
So what I mean though, it kind of like goes side to side.
I can feel it, just like kind of like crab walk. This shit feels nutty. What's that boosted? That shit was out.
Yeah, once it hits room,
Yeah,
it's about to hit. And this shit got so much more room though. We could instantly turn this shit up like so much more roll. So this shit got so much more space.
Yeah, I can't wait for him to get a run. I want to see this shit run against something.
Yeah, he's gonna race it. He's trying to race tonight.
You said you don't think you'll sell it?
No, I don't think so. I'm too invested into it, bro.
How long have you been building it for?
It's December. It's money.
It's not like that much time invested, but still, like,
Money, massive.
have you raced it yet?
No,
You plan on it?
I want to race it today.
What's your race rules?
I don't really care. I just, whatever they want. I
From
go
60
60 to 160, but it's whatever they want. I mean,
Yeah.
they can count, they can do whatever they want.
So you let them do the count like
Yeah.
the 3 honks?
Hey, bro, if you jump on me, I'll jump too. Yeah, I'll react like this, so it doesn't matter.
So how nerve-wracking is it when you're racing? Have you ever raced before?
It's not nerve-wracking. Not really.
Because you practice or what?
Yeah, I go a lot.
Feel the speed, you know?
Yeah, bro, hell yeah, bro. What the fuck? That shit, you feel like literally all this shit just pushing you forward. Like that shit is, bro, that shit felt nice.
This is perfect, bro.
Why are you trying to catch some runs? I would want to try this shit all the time.
This is fast.
And he's gonna be dogging people in this shit. God damn, this shit sounds nice as fuck.
Turbo, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah.
But he has like the open dump.
Yeah.
On yours, you want to do that or you want it to exhaust?
What you think?
Me personally, bro, you're asking the person that loves like extra shit. So I love
Yeah.
loud, I love like being extra shit, but I mean,
Nah,
it just
fuck it,
depends.
open dump it.
You think
feel like it's more of an intimidation too.
Yeah, people
Like, you see
hear
that
it.
shit pull up, they're like, whoa.
How much have you invested into it?
I lost count. I don't want to think about it because I'm gonna get mad.
And is this your only car?
Yeah, nowadays. But I had a G82 and I had a Supra.
That shit is. God damn.
I need some rear tires though, because when it spots, it's rubbing.
Yeah.
You see smoke.
So keep in mind, bro, that shit squatting is slowing you down.
Yeah, I know.
That's really like putting a little e-brake on the car. Bro, this shit is like down the fucking hand, dog.
But that shit feels like, oh god, you're just getting pulled. My JD did the same shit.
With the tires?
Yeah.
So smoke came out from the quarter panel?
Yeah. I changed the rears. I have to change the front too, no? Change the rears to match the front.
The best way to do it on these, bro, is a 15-inch conversion. That's the only way.
Yeah, you have to go 15 rears, 17 fronts.
Yeah.
I might have about a whole new set.
Yeah, about a whole.
So, what you think?
Retarded. Yeah. It feels like God is pulling you forward.
Trying to take you away.
Yeah.
That shit feels good though, bro. Like,
Oh, it's nice though. It feels nice as hell. That shit.
what I like the best part about it, like I did a pull right here, like second, third, and then even when you're going into fourth, like it still keeps pulling.
Yeah, like
it's not slowing down.
like at
That's
190,
what I'm
that
saying.
shit keeps going.
It's not falling on his face. That shit keeps going.
Yeah, and it's stock motor too, so that's the crazy part about it.
Oh, that manifold goes like super.
Wait, what color you want to do your turbo?
The color of the car.
The same as that color?
We should look send it out ASAP.
Do it now. Because you're going to break in the motor. Say you're going to break in the motor one night.
You don't think it'll be ready for Cali2k?
Could be. I don't see why not. Hey, let us know if you guys want
You're going
some
to go?
PQ cars there, because you guys want it, we'll be there for sure. You gonna be there?
Of course. I was there last year.
He's gonna be there. He's gonna be there. Shop 240 will be there.
For all of us pulling up, that shit will be OP.
Bro, people will get.
People will be hyped.
Imagine literally the whole lineup, bro.
Fuck, that shit felt crazy, bro. Hyped for the G80.
Our previous customers, he is the creator of No Hezi, which is a platform that a lot of people, car enthusiasts, drive their cars. A lot of you guys may have heard of it or maybe even played the game before. Kind of want to show them what it is, Manny, real quick?
Yeah.
This is server, and he does his own server on Estrada Corsa, which is a PC racing game for cars.
We're in the talks of putting PQ on that game. Let's just
1
say-
million drivers in the server.
Really?
So like, let's just say you have your M3 on the game. You could go to PQ's garage and customize your car, do whatever you guys want to.
Una hora. Entonces. Oh my god. No, es un Porsche GT3 RS. Vamos pasito a pasito.
Esa man, that's too easy, man. It's harder to do a downpipe on a B58 than the headers and exhaust on a Porsche. We're only charging him 50 cents for labor. What does the CEO of PC Performance think about the Porsche?
I think I'm about to sell my business and buy one.
Oh, we don't have
We
a
gotta
job.
work.
Put it to PQ for the win, baby.
After driving it, what are your first impressions?
My first impression is I'm about to do some illegal shit to be able to afford it.
BOA, Chase, Golden Credit, tap in.
Gotta do it somehow.